is going to be. So this much they need to carve off. Can you believe that? So this is just like, it already looks perfect. But it's not finished. They need to carve all the way to down here where they're going to get it completely perfect. Another tired stone.
Runny nose.
One that is fresh, chiseled away and ready to be carved. Notice the angle is perfect for supporting. Now this.
Why are we counting?
Echo. So because these ones are facing towards this mountain, we believe there must have been a whole team of idols. Gods that represented elements and, you know, stellar beings that were very sacred to them, were in each niche. And when you talked to them, the echo is their voice back to you, right? Remember?